Hi, this is Kashpunisa Bhagewari. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create global tables in Amazon DynamoDB. So here I am on my AWS console and here I selected my table. So here is my movies table. For this, I want to create global table. So you can go here in global tables tab and here you can see the warning. To create a global table, ensure that DynamoDB streams are enabled. So to work global table, DynamoDB stream should be enabled. So I'm going to click it here, and new and old images, both the new and old images of the item. So if you are having some existing items, those will also replicate and the new items will also replicate with the help of this DynamoDB stream. So just go ahead and click on this enable button. So your DynamoDB stream is get enabled for this table, and you can see here I am on my Mumbai region and I want to add one more region. So you can click on this add region button and you can select any region of your choice for which global table is available. So here I am going to select US East and Virginia, and for this now you can see region is ready. Click create replica to proceed. So you can click on this create replica and it will create a global table in this North Virginia region for you. And here it will take so much time, up to 5 to 10 minutes. So I already enabled this global table for my another table for this game score. So I'm going to show you. So this for this table I'm having this my current region and US is North Virginia. So for this global table is already available. So I'm going to show you items available in this Mumbai region. So I'm having this 8 items, and here on the another tab I'm having this same table in North Virginia. So when I created the global table, this game score table is automatically created in North Virginia region by the DynamoDB itself. And when you click on this, you can see the all items are also replicated. All existing items are also replicated in this region. So I'm having here in another region same table name and same table schema also. You can see table schema also is the same and number of items are also the same. So now let's see, suppose if I insert any a new item in my Mumbai region. So I am going to suppose like duplicate and I want to add one more item. So we will see how it replicates in another region. So my user ID is 106 and suppose wins is 10. So suppose this is my another item. I'm going to save this. So here 106, this item is get added. Now we can see here and we can just refresh this table. So you can see 106. So this item is also inserted in this North Virginia region as well. So it get automatically replicated. So if I update any item, suppose here bins is 10 here, I'm going to do it 100 and losses is 10. So I will do it like 150. So let's see, for 106 user ID wins is 100 and loses is 150. Let's save this. So we did in this Mumbai region and let's see if it is replicated in North Virginia. So for 106 loses is 150 and wins 100. So item get updated automatically in another region. Suppose if I delete the item, okay, let's delete. Let's see. refresh this. Yeah, it is gone. So all add, update and delete, all operations are get replicated in another region in another table. So in this way DynamoDB global table works. So table get added automatically, all your items uh, uh, replicates automatically, and you can have you can serve you to your users from their nearest region with the help of this global table. Okay, I hope you like this. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment part. See you next time. Bye.